Pakistan's first Independence Day was celebrated on August 15th, but it was advanced to August 14th from 1948. One of the primary reasons is that on the morning of August 14th, 1947, the last British Viceroy Lord Mountbatten transferred the power to Pakistan's Governor-General designate Muhammad Ali Jinnah at the Constituent Assembly building in Karachi. The Viceroy then flew to New Delhi at the same afternoon. The birth of Pakistan was announced at the midnight of 15th August, as was the case with India. Jinnah was sworn in as Governor-General and Liaquat Ali Khan took oath as Prime Minister on August 15th. However, a debate arose on the actual date of Pakistan's birth and as the transfer of power had been signed on August 14th. In 1947, 14th August also coincided with the 27th day of the holy month of Ramadan. The government had taken it as an auspicious coincidence, and this added to the argument that August 14th should be the day Pakistanis celebrate the birth of their nation. Also, it cannot be ignored that Pakistan preferred to have an identity distinct from India. So, from 1948 onwards, the state of Pakistan began to celebrate August 14th as its day of independence. As the month of August begins, special stalls, funfair, and shops are set up across the country for the sale of national flags, buntings, banners, and posters, badges, pictures of national heroes, multimedia, and other celebratory items. The day began with special prayers of the integrity, solidarity, and development of Pakistan in mosques and religious places across the country. Citizens attending Independence Day parades and other events are usually dressed in Pakistan's official colors, green and white. The Independence Day is one of the 6 public holidays observed in Pakistan, and it is celebrated all across the country. To prepare to finalize the plans of Independence Day celebration, meetings are held in the provincial capitals by the local government, which are attended by the government officials, diplomats, and politicians. Even overseas Pakistanis celebrates this day with full zeal and patriotism.
तुलुए सुबह आज़ादी
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद